dream date. My name is Annie. I'm 19 and I love animals. And I love chocolate. Chocolate ice cream, chocolate cake, boxes of chocolate, chocolate mousse.
What are you doing, Annie?
Oh, nothing.
What's this? Dream date. Make my dream come true.
Oh, how did that get there?
How sweet. Let's go. Look left. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, left.
Hector!
And right. Up. Look left.
Hector?
1, 2,
Oh, hi, Bridget.
4, head up.
And up.
And up. And down. And left.
We'll keep going, Hector.
Okay.
Oh, I see Hector found Cindy's 101 top exercises then.
Yes.
Down.
Oh, good try, Hector.
Cindy is so old-fashioned. I can teach Hector how to exercise.
Down.
Exercise with Cindy? No. Exercise with Bridget? Yes.
But...
It's okay, I can do it. Music, please, Annie. Follow me. Arms up, touch your toes, stand straight. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. More energy, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, faster still. Left leg up. Left leg up.
Left leg up.
Oh, my leg hurts. Come on, keep on. Come on. Faster. Come on. Come on. Faster.
Oh, hi, Nick. We're exercising.
I can see.
Okay, let's get a drink. Oh, I must check my emails.
Would you like some water, Hector?
Oh, no, after you.
No, you first.
Oh, no. Ladies first.
No, you first.
No, but you first.
Oh, give it to me.
Oh, goody. 3 messages. Oh, dear.
What's wrong?
Annie's been on the internet again
The internet?
to find a boyfriend.
Oh, let's see.
Oh, no, don't look.
Oh, come on, Annie.
Oh, all right then.
Annie, baby. Rocky the tennis star here. I am the racket. Will you be my ball?
Okay, number 2.
Dear Annie, I love animals too. They are so beautiful in their glass boxes. Come and see them, Tony Green, taxidermist.
A taxidermist? Ooh, how horrible.
Oh, Charlie, here, boy.
It's okay, Charlie.
Annie, what is a taxidermist?
Well, it's... oh, never mind.
3rd time lucky.
Hope so.
Annie, can you cook like my mother? Do you like trains? Can you meet me today? Giles Smith, age 24. P.S. Mummy says I must be home before 5 p.m. Oh, dear.
Oh, I'll never get a boyfriend. Bridget always has a boyfriend.
Has she? Annie, look, it's not what you write, it's how you write it.
Huh?
I bet I could get a girlfriend on the internet, no problem.
Well, yes, Nick, you could.
I bet you could not.
I could.
Okay. What would you write?
I'm 6 foot tall.
5'11".
I have blonde hair.
Mousy brown.
I love animals. And fast cars. And beautiful women.
I would write to you.
Would you?
Oh, come on, Annie. Let's go to the gym.
Oh, Bridget, no. Not more exercise.
See you later, boys.
Oh, and, Hector, would you do my washing for me?
Washing? Okay. No problem.
Oh, and Nick, will you spray my plant for me, please? The spray is in the bathroom.
No problem.
Nick,
Huh?
what is a taxidermist?
Oh. Well, it's... Never mind.
Chrissy, today, Hector found Cindy's exercise video. But I decided to help him with his exercises instead.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. More energy, please!
He really enjoyed it.
My leg hurts. Come on, keep on.
Nadia, I looked for a boyfriend on the internet today and had 3 strange replies. 1 from a tennis player, 2 arrogant. 1 from a taxidermist, 2 horrible.
Oh, Charlie. Here, boy.
And 1 from a train spotter, 2 weird.
Oh, dear.
Oh, I'll never get a boyfriend. But Bridget always has a boyfriend.
Dan, it's so easy to find a girlfriend on the internet. I bet I could get a girlfriend on the internet, no problem. Finding girlfriends on the internet is so easy. Okay, Hector. Question 1. How do guys get girlfriends?
Girlfriends?
Yeah. Girlfriends.
Oh! Oh, no girlfriends. Me. Never.
What? Never. No girlfriends. Wow, man.
You, Nick? You have had girlfriends?
Yeah, loads.
10?
10. Hundreds.
Wow.
So, I know what girls like. They like fast cars. They like money. They like dancing.
Oh, I love dancing. Like this.
No, dancing like this. Yeah. Hector, leave it to me. Leave it to me, my friend. I have a plan. Oh, Hector, Annie's plant. Her garden spray is in the bathroom.
Oh,
Oh,
garden. Spray, garden spray, garden romance, garden good.
Perfect.
Perfect. Cold, hot, very hot. Nick, Bridget's cold or hot?
Very hot.
Perfect.
Perfect. Ha! Hector, we'll get lots of girlfriends now.
Aha.
From now on, it'll be girls, 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 girls. Yo!
Hey.
Woo! Oh, you really must change your after shave. Excuse me. Come on, let's go out and celebrate.
What's that smell? It smells like a perfumery. Oh, my plant! Empty. Oh, my poor plant. I don't believe it.
My perfume, I don't believe it.
Nick.
Well, oh, good, the washing's done.
What's the problem?
This is the problem.
Hector.
Wow!
What is it now?
We have 633 messages.
Let's see.
Okay, one moment. Hector, Nick. Yes, we are gorgeous. Yes, we like dancing. And yes, we like millionaires. Fifi and Sarah. Chloe, Sadie, Louise, Jerry. These messages are all for Hector and Nick. And they're all from girls.
I smell a rat.
And I think I know who is responsible. Oh, Bridget, look at this. Are you a gorgeous babe? Do you have a gorgeous friend? Do you like fast cars and dancing all night? Do you like millionaires? Then you will love us. We are Hector and Nick, the Romero brothers.
What?
See attached photo.
Ha! Cheats! They glued their photo on this car.
Oh, what a joke! Well, that's how they receive 633 messages from girls.
But they don't know they received 633 messages, do they?
No, they don't now.
Let's go to the cyber cafe. I have a plan.